ఇది మన యాస మన భాష మన ఎఫ్ఎం ఆకాశవాణి ఆదిలాబాద్ 100.2 ఎఫ్ఎం మనస్సు నిండా. ఆదిలాబాద్లో నిర్వహిస్తున్న ఎన్సీసీ 2వ వార్షిక శిబిరం గురించి, ఇంకా ఎన్సీసీ ఆవిర్భావం గురించి ఎన్సీసీ 32 తెలంగాణ బెటాలియన్ కమాండింగ్ అధికారి కల్నల్ వికాస్ శర్మ చెప్పిన వివరాలు ఇప్పుడు విందాం.
I, Colonel Vikas, the camp commandant of this camp and also the commanding officer of 32 Telangana Battalion, we've just celebrated NCC Day last Sunday. So what a beautiful time to start off with the camp. The weather is lovely and I think we'll have a good 10 days of the camp. This camp is the second in the series of camp of this year. It is called ATC 2. To talk about NCC, the NCC is about building the physical abilities, the character, the leadership and the discipline. So this camp is about three of them. I want you all to learn about these three things in this camp. Whatever we will offer in these 10 days, it is on you to absorb as much as possible, because this camp you will remember throughout your life. Most of the people, most of you cadets must be the first timers. It must be their first camp. In this camp, we will teach you what represents patriotism. We will teach you what is unity. We will teach you what is service to the nation. This is apart from whatever you will do in the camp as military activities. Generally what happens is NCC is taken as only a way to go to armed forces. But it is not the only thing. You can go to Air Force, Army, Navy. It is understood. But apart from that, it builds up a character. It builds up a discipline. Even if you become an IS officer, you become a police officer, you become a policeman, if you become a shopkeeper also, you will be different than other shopkeepers around you, because you are an NCC cadet. Any NCC cadet will do well in life if he absorbs all the qualities that have been taught to him in the camp and in your classes, in your schools and colleges taken by ANOs and the PI staff. So I hope these 10 days will be a fruitful learning experience for you. This camp does not start actually the day it starts on ground. It starts much before. It starts 1 month in advance. 45 days in advance we are supposed to plan this camp. We are supposed to set up a location, recce the location, ask for the location from various dignitaries, various civil bodies, and then we carry out a recce. We make a budget proposal. The money comes. It is approved by the DDG in APNT directorate, and then this camp starts happening. On ground, it is happening yesterday onwards, where we started with your reception, and today is the opening address of the camp commandant. In this camp, there are many important people who you will come across and who are responsible for certain things. I start now with a brief history of NCC, which most of the people would know, but for people who don't know, that NCC started in 1948 in India as a part of NCC Act. NCC Act actually was made and prepared in 1950. So this actually route goes back to 1917, when there was a already university corps established by the Britishers in 1917. So that 1917 ka jo wo university corps tha, that was converted into National Cadet Corps, and it was formalized as National Cadet Corps in the independent India. What was the purpose? The purpose was that the youth should be caught early, and discipline, leadership and sense of service to be instilled on them. So I had given in my introduction that this is what our camp will also do.
ఇంతవరకు మీరు ఆదిలాబాద్లో నిర్వహిస్తున్న ఎన్సీసీ 2వ వార్షిక శిబిరం గురించి, ఇంకా ఎన్సీసీ ఆవిర్భావం గురించి ఎన్సీసీ 32 తెలంగాణ బెటాలియన్ కమాండింగ్ అధికారి కల్నల్ వికాస్ శర్మ చెప్పిన వివరాలు విన్నారు. ఇది మన యాస మన భాష మన ఎఫ్ఎం ఆకాశవాణి ఆదిలాబాద్ 100.2 ఎఫ్ఎం మనస్సు నిండా.